Oreck orbiter, take one.
As we've said many times before, this is the true copper cleaner method that we use. Extraction is just a follow-up. This is the real way that we clean our carpets.
Well, the road doctor will get this stuff out too. It's just you may have to go over it 2 or 3 times, and this scrubs harder.
This carpet's dirty enough, it needs a good scrubbing. We will use the road doctor a lot by itself.
Okay, there's some gum that's not going to come out.
It'll have to be coming out with the heat
Use the
treatment,
steamer.
heat transfer thing.
That's almost the color of makeup, like rouge or something like that.
Yeah, it's something. But it came out, or it's coming out. I think it came out. I'll work on it some more in a minute.
Now, after we scrub these really good and extracted them, then we'll get what we have to with the steamer. It's a lot easier if you can get it out with this thing first.
If you can do it this way, you're better off.
And some of it's coming loose from the carpet, some of it's staying in. So.
Now we have the black carpet brush that goes on this machine, and it might scrub like this pink thing. It may scrub it out because of the brushes. I generally don't care for using a brush though, for one basic reason. I like to absorb as I go, and a brush don't absorb. What I absorb with this bonnet will not have to be taken out with another method. A brush don't absorb nothing, so I don't care for the brushing method.
It's whatever people prefer. The brush is nice. If you're going to extract afterwards, the brush leaves all your pre-spray in place. Lets it keep working on things. It just depends on how you want to go.
Yeah, if you're a straight up extractor kind of person, you got a truck mount or whatever, and that's what you like to do is extract, and a brush will give you, it won't take the pre-spray off. It'll just scrub your pre-spray in, loosen up dirt stains, and then you can get it out with your
Extractor of choice.
yeah. So, but this is how we like to do it. It's been working good for several years, and we're going to stick with it. It's our method.
No, on the really lightly soiled carpets, we don't really need to scrub. So we scrub when we have to. Otherwise, we just go straight with the rub doctor. It does a good job.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that figure out different ways to charge on their jobs. We try to just charge you one price on each job we go to. We price them per job. We don't have a set rate. But
now, if somebody starts complaining that they think it's expensive, the first thing we do is say, you vacuum it yourself and we'll save you a little money.
Well,
but then we only bonnet clean. We won't extract unless we vacuum.
Yeah.
Because we got all that, we don't want all that junk from the carpets getting into our extractor. But if they're I'm not going to say cheap, but basically,
cheap.
If they're cheap, then they can vacuum and we'll bonnet clean, and that's what they get. And most of the time, if they're just wanting to get some stains out, that's fine. Alright, so you can see some of this stuff's coming out, some of it's not. But the stuff that does come out, at least we don't have to work on as much when we go back with the steamer. Alright, that's really the most exciting thing.
This stuff looks like it's coming almost out.
Yeah.
This was a big patch of...
You might want to flip over.
I'll go in a minute. That was a very big patch of pink stuff, whatever it was. Being as there's a girl up here, it's probably some mascara.
I think it was sidewalk. It may have been sidewalk color or paint because she had little kids.
Yeah, some people think it's cool to let their kids play with paint in the house right over the carpet. You might as well give them a jar of laundry bleach and let them have fun. Same kind of a deal.
Well, that's why people pay deposits.
Yeah.
You didn't even get this spot, I don't think.
I'm coming there.
Well, it's a Friday. About
5:30.
Yeah.
about 5:30 in the evening.
So this is one of those last minute things that you find out about.
The truth is with us, we like Friday nights to be sitting home relaxing, but we're real into going to work. To me, you can't make me happier and get me on a job like this.
Yeah, but this was kind of a surprise.
Yeah, it came up last minute, but I'm real satisfied with doing it because I like making money and I like cleaning carpets. It's like a hobby you get paid for because I love doing this stuff. And something else we like doing is, without insulting anybody, we like showing that you can use equipment like this and a rock doctor and do professional work. We've made that kind of a career thing we've been doing, and it works. And so I like that too, just doing and making these videos. Sometimes we do so many, we don't have time for videos. That's why you don't see us putting a video all the time.
Yeah, here lately we've had so much work that
We're swamped.
we're just trying to get it knocked out. And unless it's something really, really special, we don't generally take time to video because, like this clip's already at 8 minutes. That's going to be like a 6-hour upload.
Well, the truth is, if he wasn't holding that camera, he'd be extracting right behind me.
Yeah.
I mean, we stop and we lose money on our time to make videos for people because people like to watch them and we like making them. But yeah, you lose money when you make a video, but it's all right.
You know, this red stain right here, you kind of see along the wall. That stain's been in there for years, and every time we've offered to get it out with steamer or whatever, they didn't care about it.
We're gonna take it out this time.
And didn't want to pay for it, and so we just left it. But this time, I think, since they're going to hit and they're going to pay for all this other stuff, we're going to try to get that old stain out. And that red stain's been in there for 6 or 7 years.
Now, some of you people are new to carpet painting. Taking red stains and colored stains out is kind of it can be intimidating. Here's the deal: if you can't get them out, you don't feel lousy. Nobody can get every single stain out. You just do what you can, and you tell the customer, "Sorry, I couldn't get that one."
Yeah,
and then
unless you're the one who put the stain there, it's not your problem.
And then you charge them for your effort.
Yeah.
You let them pay you even though you tried.
All right, he's just about done with the work in this room, and there's some stuff in here that he's going to scrub. But I don't know if he's going to do the whole carpet. He may, because it's a pretty small room. But stay tuned. We're going to show a little bit of the extraction with the rug doctor, and then we may show some of getting the red stains out with steamer. But it would be an hour-long video to show everything possibly, so we'll show highlights from that. But stay tuned.